In response to a declining number of legal practitioners specializing in criminal law, Attorney Francis Paul, president of the Grenada Bar Association, is urging newly admitted attorneys to consider practicing in this critical area of law. With only a handful of approximately 80 practicing attorneys at the criminal bar, he highlighted need to bolster representation, particularly in the High Court's criminal jurisdiction.
It is quite an untenable situation, one that the bar is gravely concerned with, because as I indicated, there have to be a balance. And now that you have the bench has been augmented with Justice Innocent, you have Justice Guilford that has been sitting since the 10th of March alone until January when Justice Innocent took up office in Grenada. So now that the bench is augmented, you have the bar unbalanced, because you have now that attorneys who used to be appearing fixed before the court are no longer appearing. Happy to say, though, there are attorneys who have taken up the mantle of assisting pro bono.
The Grenada Bar Association, under its newly formed executive, is actively exploring innovative strategies to spark interest in criminal law among young legal practitioners. Paul said practicing at the criminal bar will provide young lawyers with valuable courtroom experience while simultaneously addressing the shortage of legal representation in criminal cases.
The idea came up of why not bringing it to the GLC to say that, you have the younger attorneys up here, you have them do maybe one or two matters, and they get credit which can go towards the application of the practicing certificate. Because now all attorneys to practice in Grenada, according to the Legal Profession Act, you have to apply and obtain a practicing certificate. You have to have a certain amount of points during that year, which comes through continuing legal education. So if the younger attorneys can do one matter and appear before the court, then that can go towards their continuing legal education, and thereby they gain points, whether it's 3 or 4 points, towards their practicing certificate.
In light of the current landscape, where the number of practicing attorneys in Grenada remains limited, initiatives like these are crucial in sustaining a robust legal framework that ensures access to justice for all citizens. The call to action serves as a reminder of the pivotal role lawyers play in safeguarding the rule of law and upholding the principles of justice within society. Reporting for GBN News, I'm Nisha Paul.